So as most you probably know on the call anyways, when you talk about landed cost, really it's just a way to make sure that you've taken into account any of those additional costs that can be added on to your cost of goods to get you the total that it's going to take for that product to arrive, whether it's into your warehouse, your storefront, or even to the customer's doorstep. When you're looking at those costs, you want to make sure you can set up your cost categories. They can be as specific as you want to shipping and freight, duties and tariffs, insurance, handling and packaging, additional storage and warehouse fees, or just even other taxes and other fees that get added into it. We've got some clients who, they go down to the minuscule amount of fees that can be into it. And other ones just say, hey, these are the big hitters that I want to make sure that I take into account. So, you can get as granular as you want when you talk about your cost configurations. When you're setting it up in NetSuite, you do have two options. One, you can use estimates or you can use actuals against your item receipts. Kind of best practices, we always say doing against your item receipts, your vendor bills. This allows you a way to be accurate with the bills that are coming in. You can see exactly where there may be some variance within those deliveries. We also recommend best practice of using like weighted allocation. So based off of the your quantity, it could be the weight of the goods, whatever that is, but just kind of using that as a best practice to stay within those rates. And then obviously the challenges are, as what we're dealing with now, right, is the ever-changing variability in the industry and what's happening in the economic society. So just really kind of staying on top of that and having a business plan in place so that you can analyze and jump into any changes that may be needed.